Tell your child, watch. Present the rolling drum during tummy time. Place it just at the edge of your baby's reach. Roll it gently. Moving it slowly helps your baby to observe where the noise comes from. Allow your baby time to reach, slither, crawl, or shuffle towards it. If the drum is too far away, your baby won't try to reach it. If it's too close, he misses an opportunity to work and develop. Make sure the drum is just at the edge of his reach. Your child may reach the drum and pick it up with satisfaction or push it further away. It's designed to roll away slowly so that he keeps working towards it. If your baby is struggling to reach the drum, resist the urge to jump in and help. Working hard helps him to develop his gross motor skills. It's normal for babies to grunt and yell as they try to reach for something. But if he starts to get upset, move the drum closer.